Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for Parent Education Network Island, Module 1, Section B. In the previous tutorial for this module, we looked at teleporting, basic ways to move the avatar around, and how to sit and take photos. The purpose of this video is to help you know and remember how to locate the early attachment infant mental health area of the multi-user virtual environment using the world map, and particularly how to get to the homes where this lesson takes place. You will learn how to enter a house or a building that has doors, how to move around, how to turn on a YouTube video, and complete a task. The first thing you'll do is you'll left click on the world map here. So left click, and then click and drag the map over. You'll see in the lower left-hand side here, 3 houses, 3 rustic Victorians. Click in between these two. Left click. And we're here. So all of these houses have an assignment inside that you'll be looking at. And what you'll do is walk up to the front doors of the house, point, left click, the doors will open. Walk into the foyer. There will be some directions and some reminders on the post-it note board. And you will see, typically this will be blank, and you will left click on the blank screen. It will take a few seconds for it to appear, and your video for this house will come on. And you would operate this just like you would on a computer or a mobile device. So you would click on the arrow here to get it to play and to have it stop. And at the upper corner here, you'll see a refresh button. When you're done with the video, if you could click on that button, it will take it back for the next group to look at. So after you've watched the video and you've thought about that style of attachment, you're going to come into this foyer and stand in front of this fireplace, and you will point at the portrait in front, and you can change the portrait. So we looked at optimal attachment, and I'm going to give that a beautiful sunrise. So as you turn and walk out, you will see a barometer next to the door. You can left click on that and create a nice sound that corresponds with your painting. That should match the attachment style that you just looked at. So you will do that in each one of these houses. And when you're done, I'd like to invite you to walk down the path here. And hang out with Nessie and her siblings. Nessie is a plesiosaur, and she enjoys swimming. And you can ride Nessie. See her? Isn't she adorable? So you can come out here with the rest of your classmates, and everybody can have a seat. There are several places here to sit down, so just look at the couch, left click on it. Well, I clicked on the couch and I can't sit, so I'll have a seat in the chair. I hope you enjoyed this training video, and I'm going to turn down the lights and enjoy the look.